Last week we took you to the Truck Camper Adventure Rally out in Quartzsite. We had so much fun there that we had to split it into 2 videos, guys. So today you're going to see the rest of our adventures out there. We had a blast.
And stick around to the end to see how we've lost 161 pounds together in a year and how you can too.
Hello and welcome back. If it's your first time here, I'm Scott.
And I'm Ellison.
And we are
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.
We're full-time RVers. We do destination videos, tips and tricks, and all things RV. If that sounds like something you'd like, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and come along on our journeys.
There were 460 truck campers registered for this Truck Camper Adventure Rally with Mellow Mike, and it was an amazing time.
It was so much fun, guys. We had never seen that many truck campers, obviously, in one spot. I don't know if there's ever been that many truck campers in one spot. But also, we do have some bloopers at the end, so you're going to want to stick around for that as well. So let's get into it.
I hear the song you sing as you wake up my soul today. I feel the hope when your sun shines on my face. Oh, I'll wake up with your grace.
Now I have Marcus with Kingstar, and Marcus is going to tell us about the Kingstar.
Hi, yes, Marcus with Kingstar. We are out of northern Michigan, Houghton, Michigan, western UP, and we are a truck camper manufacturer as well as horse trailer manufacturer. So what you have behind us is the Cruiser 8 with the CA flatbed build. It is 5 inches wider that we make it in the galley, and it is an 8-foot slide-in pickup truck camper, but for flatbed builds we make it 5 inches wider. You see the flatbed boxes on the side, we make those as well. We have the garage up here. This is an 18-inch garage. It's on a 9.5-foot bed. This camper over here is on an 11-foot bed, so that's able to get a 36-inch garage on that one. And we have the flatbed boxes as well. You can get awnings on both sides. The Carefree awning, a lighted strip here, and you can also get an awning coming off the back of the camper, right up on the wing right here.
Oh, wow.
And then also we have numerous amounts of accessories that we offer. This is the rack pack with the tower on the back. And you got your Honda generator here. You can see it on this one here. You got the Honda generator with the 3 2-gallon Rotopack gas cans. And this here is a tower where you can put golf clubs, gun cases, clothing, you name it. As well as over here is you got a barbecue grill, you got extra storage for hoses, electrical cords, things like that. So stepping inside, it also is a stair system to get into the camper.
Nice.
So stepping inside here, this toilet is a dry bath, and it slides out of the shower stall, so you get a nice dry bath. And then you have this hanger rod that rotates around. You have a privacy wall here that comes across, and there is a mirror on this side, a full-length mirror on this side. And like I said, you have a hanger rod here, you have a hanger rod here, and in the north-south you have a hanger rod there. There's about 3.5 feet of hanger rod in this camper.
Wow.
And this is a that just locks into place. And then you have floor storage through here that lifts up.
Wow.
You have trash cans. You have the spice rack.
Oh.
There's the toilet paper holder down here. Then once you step up here, and you get a little look at the seating arrangement. You got pull-out tables. So we offer 5 different layouts in this area, floor plans. This is called the lounger, and this will sleep one person. This will go into a bed, and you get all kinds of storage here all the way throughout, storage down here. And then we offer the couch bunk, which goes into a double-decker bunk. It sits like this. We offer the typical dinette. We have the command center, which is built for the digital nomads pretty much, but it is a nice hybrid dinette system as well. And then we have what we call the open range, which there's nothing up here except some folding chairs that you can take outside to the campfire, come back in, put the chairs in the closet, and you could have some big dogs hanging out here. So that one is really designed for people that have a big dog or a couple dogs. Again, locking hardware throughout. Nice stainless steel locking hardware, marine grade. Custom valances made, pull down shades. We have a communication package, which is the Wi-Fi booster, as well as the WeBoost cell phone. We are getting into Peplink and Starlink installs. Skylight, marine grade skylight. Entertainment package, the Fusion marine grade entertainment package. Vitrifrigo compressor fridge, 5.3 cubic foot. 8,000 BTU wall mount AC unit, which will run off the inverter. It only draws right around 1,000 watts, so it's quite efficient. And we offer the you have an oven cooktop, and also we have Truma Combi here. So
Nice.
that is kind of the tour there. Oh, one other really cool thing here I'd like to show you is right back here you've got the paper towel holder.
Oh.
And there's so when that roll runs out, you can slide the tray out and another roll drops down.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much. And are these built in Michigan?
They are built in Michigan, and you can go to kingstar.net, and the website's there. And we have the Cruiser, which is our Expedition series, and then the Camino, which is our Adventure series. The Camino starts at $39,960. The Cruiser starts at $59,960, and there's a nice comparables that you can compare the two, what you're getting with one and not the other. So thank you for doing the tour.
And here's the other one that a customer of theirs, very satisfied customer, has here for display. And here's the outdoor storage area, the grill, the door in. But before we go in, we'll go check out the other side and look at all of that storage. Here's the exterior.
Oh, they're up on the pad.
Beautiful. And now we're going to go inside. I love these steps. Very sturdy.
Because now we've been living out of it for a while, so we've kind of got it all optimized.
And it has the same toilet system that is genius.
And everything.
Their shower.
It's been fantastic.
Closet.
Which version is that? Yeah, that's the second gen high performance.
Look at this shoe storage.
Flat mounted dish. Yeah. We just Sikaflex some like.
There is a fan.
To the top.
And then up to the kitchen. Wow. So much variety. Oh, look at these seats. Wow. That is very impressive. Very nice. All that storage in the floor.
There was this.
All right, guys, I'm not shopping, but if I was.
Some little.
So this is the Cuddy and the Cuddy Light. The main difference that the Cuddy, the regular Cuddy has an agitator that, here we go. Actually, let me start at the beginning. This is vented when it's closed, and there's no smell. And then when you open it, there is a what Todd calls the Bombay doors.
Oh.
And this is a diverter. And as I say, 1 and 2 make sewage if you put them together. But if you keep them separate, there's just really not that much of a hassle to deal with. And here we go. And so I fill this pretty regularly. I'm working from home right now in full timing, but it can be plumbed into a gray tank. It can be dumped into a gray tank, or it can just be disposed of where you would normally dispose your pee if you have that as a separate thing. But it really is freeing to not have a black tank if you don't have to have one, because like for our latest example is we upsized from a vintage RV that we had, and so this winter we didn't have our composting toilet in yet. We had an ice storm in Portland. We were in our motorhome in his shop getting some upgrades, and we were there for maybe 3 weeks, and 2 weeks in we had to pull up everything and go dump. It was just such a bummer. That was the only reason we had to go anywhere, was because we filled the black tank.
Oh.
And I can't help, I'm at home, there's no other place to go. You use coconut coir, which is like a carbon rich, some kind of different people use different kinds of bases. We like the coconut coir. Someone just told me about horse pellets, I guess you can buy. They come in different sizes. They're more expensive if you get them the specialty ones, but if people are really on a budget, you can also go to like a farmer's feed store, and sometimes they have bigger that you have to cut up yourself. And you just add water, you mix it up, it turns to dirt, then it goes in. And my husband and I full timing 2 to 3 weeks. It's going for about 2 to 3 weeks.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time.
This is Natalie with Dakota Lithium. Natalie, can you tell us about your batteries?
Hey, what's going on? My name's Natalie, again with Dakota Lithium. We are here. We only brought a couple with us because we are also in a truck camper, so we can only haul around so much. But come check us out. Check out the website. We can power any of your needs. Also brand new, I'm going to shout out the Power Station 2400, kind of replacing your generator here. So no oil, no gas, and all battery here. So check out dakotalithium.com, and go enjoy yourself here at Truck Camper Adventure Rally here in Arizona.
Thank you, Natalie. Yeah. This is my friend Natalie, and she and her husband Gilles are from Quebec, and we met them in Texas and love their camper, and I'm going to let her tell about it.
Hi. So our camper, it's an old one, a 99 Frontier Plainsman that we renovate all by the outside because it was a lot of moisture. And when he put the aluminum on it, he decided that he wanted to have some paint on it. So he asked me to paint on it. I pass my time with that.
She is quite the artist. It's beautiful.
Yes. I asked him for a deck on the back, and he said, "Oh yes, I will make storage in it." So he made this thing. We sold the bed of the truck so we can put more storage on the sides.
This is the other side. She just did this cactus this weekend, or this week.
Yes.
Beautiful painting.
Thank you.
And now, can we take a look at the inside?
Yes.
All right.
We changed our table. It was on the other way, so we put it that way to be face to face. More storage over here. It was supposed to make a bed, but we don't need the bed. It's the same for that one. Mm-hmm. And our bed is over there. We take a 10-inch mattress, and we have to take out the door of the wardrobe, so it's fit more without.
Oh, yes, lots of room.
That's our fridge, a little one. I make cake because it's supposed to have a potluck tonight. And
I smell the cake. Oh, that looks good.
And we install a new heater. So we install diesel instead of propane, so it's more stable for the temperature inside of the camper when it works. We have everything we need here.
Nice.
The bedroom over there, shower and toilet, microwave, everything we need.
Very nice. Can I open your bathroom?
Yes.
Okay. And here you go. Look at that roomy bathroom. They have put so much work into this, and you can see all the nice storage spaces. Great ideas. And thank you to my dear friend
You're
Natalie
welcome.
for showing me her home. Thank you so much for joining us, and as promised, we're going to tell you how we lost all that weight. We joined a program, we became health coaches because we were losing, and we're loving this program, and we have an amazing sale. You can save $215 off of your first month and 30% off your next month right now with our special. So you can contact this email here or message us on Jarhead and Ginger's Facebook page.
If you guys are still here, we appreciate you sticking around. If you don't mind, go down there and hit the subscribe button. Really helps the channel out, and we really appreciate you watching to the end. And leave us a comment. We love the comments, and we respond to each and every single one. Well, as always, guys, Semper Fi.
And God bless.
Hi, I'm Marshall with Mellow Nomadic Adventures, and we'll see you next time on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey.